Hey kids, it's time to make a healthy and nutritional vegan shake. I'm ready. Are you? The ingredients are down below, right down here. And don't forget, ask your parents for help. Okay? Let's go! Let's go. I'm ready. Kids, don't forget to ask your parents for help in the kitchen. It's really important to stay safe. Okay, so now let's talk about our ingredients. First, we have some bananas. I love bananas. Then we have some berries. Look at these berries. We got strawberries, some blackberries right here, and a couple of blueberries. We're also going to add some chia seeds. Chia seeds. Chia seeds. Yes, chia seeds. Kale. Look at the color of the kale. What color is that? The color of that kale is green. It kind of looks like the color of my fur. Look at my fur. That's how I keep my fur nice and pretty. You like it? And last, we're going to add some almond milk. I love almond milk. Okay, so ready? Let's get blending. Okay. Here's my cup. And here are the berries. Let's add our berries. Oh boy, I'm making a mess. Here's our berries. Then we're going to add our bananas. And then we're going to add some kale. Let's not forget, we need our chia seeds. Here's our chia seeds. Then we're going to add our almond milk. Boy, look at me. I'm so messy. Let me clean that up. Okay, now, gotta add the top to my blender. This is my blending cup. All right, let me get my blender now. Oh, let me fix my camera. Now, put this on top of the blender. Uh-oh. Hee. And let's get blending. Okay, let me push the blender to the side. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This is so pretty. What color is that? Looks like purple. Almost looks like purple. Okay, now it's time to do our taste test. Hope you had fun making your shake just like me. Was your shake good and tasty? This was really good. See you next time. And don't forget, like and subscribe. I need friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.